Hello, moneymakers. While you waste your time scrolling through shorts and reels, someone of your age is literally printing money with AI. This Faceless channel has gained 4 million subscribers and 1.5 billion views. Not thousand, not millions, but billions. Their popular video has gained over 400 million views. Now the craziest part is that this person is doing all with AI. If we check their first upload, they have gained 30 million views out of the gate, and after the first video itself, the channel got monetized. Now casually, they are making clips that gets 400 million views before their morning coffee even cools down. Now the negative people will come to my video and comment, but the YouTube Shorts pays peanuts, right? That is absolutely wrong. A few years ago, YouTube Shorts were paying up to 5 cents per 1,000 views, but in 2025, it has reached up to 60 cents per 1,000 views. Let's do a normal math. With over 1.1 billion views on their channel, they could have made up to $100,000 already, while the AI and the algorithm did all the heavy lifting. Do you think in this age, it is even worth to work hard on a job to barely pays you? Or to pay hundreds and thousands of dollars in college tuitions fees while some dude in Asia create videos with AI and make a fortune? Think about it. Today in this video, I will be sharing a complete blueprint on how to create such videos. With the help of AI, and not just that, I will reveal the tools such Hailuo AI or ChatGPT, which will help you create these videos with ease. So grab a cup of coffee and watch this video till the end, without missing a single part. Let's get started. And if you're serious about mastering AI content, I've built a full course inside my Skool community. If you want to invest in upskilling yourself, I am offering lifetime access for just $150. You will get weekly coaching calls, all of my courses and like-minded people in the community. You will find the link in the description. Let's get back to the video. Alright, to start the video creation process, the first thing you need to do is go to ChatGPT. Then type this prompt. Analyze this channel. I'm going to create a channel similar to this. First, we'll work on the channel branding, which means we'll create the logo, banner, and description, so your channel stands out from other creators. We'll begin by getting some good name suggestions that fit your niche. For that, you need to enter this prompt in ChatGPT. Give me a list of creative and catchy YouTube channel name ideas based on the dog adventure niche. I'll also be adding this full prompt in my Google Doc for easy access. As you can see, ChatGPT has given us multiple channel name ideas that we can use for creating our channel. Next, go to the Google Doc and copy this prompt. With this prompt, you can ask ChatGPT to generate an SEO-optimized YouTube channel description. Now that you've selected your channel name and description, the next step is to generate your logo and channel banner. That will complete your channel branding. So for that, you need to copy the prompt from my Google Doc and paste it into ChatGPT. I'm making my channel on a dog that rescues everyone, so ChatGPT will generate the prompt based on that. If you're creating your channel on a different animal, just replace dog with the name of your animal in the prompt. Alright, now that we have the prompt, it's time to create the channel logo. For this, we'll use an amazing tool called Hailuo AI, which will also help us in the next steps. I'm sure many of you already know this tool. With Hailuo AI, you can not only create awesome images and videos, but also generate audio. That means it supports text-to-speech, voice cloning, and even music generation. Pretty cool, right? You get all these features in one single tool, so you don't need to buy anything else separately. Now to generate the logo, we'll select the image generation option. Next, take the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the text box. Then, go to the ratio section and choose 1:1. If you're generating a human face image, you can even add a character reference here. That way, you can create consistent character images too. And here we go, our logo images are ready. Just look at the results, and this is exactly what I was looking for. I like this one, so let's download it. Now, just like we generated the logo, we'll create the channel banner in the same way. Alright, now go to my Google Doc, copy the prompt from there, and give it to ChatGPT. Now copy the prompt that ChatGPT gives you and paste it into Hailuo AI. This time, select 16:9 as the ratio for the banner and click Generate. And here we go. We've got the perfect image for our channel banner. Let's download it, and that's it. Our channel branding is complete. Now let's move on to the next step, step 2, coming up with video ideas. Now, if you are already creative and come with your own idea, which makes your content stand out from others. But if you ever need help, AI is always there. Alright, first, go to your reference channels and copy the titles of all their videos, just like this. Then, go to ChatGPT and type, "These are the types of video topics they're using," and paste all the titles you copied. ChatGPT will now carefully analyze those titles. To generate similar titles and video topics, I've already prepared a prompt for you in my Google Doc. Just copy that prompt and give it to ChatGPT. You can get the link to this Google Doc by joining my Skool community. Inside, you won't just find the prompts from this video. You'll get access to all the prompts I've shared for every video I've made, ready to use for your own channel. Once you join Skool, you'll also get full access to all my YouTube courses, plus something even better. Every week we host 2 live group calls where you can ask your questions, get your doubts cleared, and even have me personally audit your YouTube channel to help you grow faster. On top of that, I teach complete YouTube automation, including how to use AI and turn your channel into a money-making system. And yes, alright, now let's get back to the video. And there it is. ChatGPT has now given us a list of video ideas similar to the reference channel. Now just pick the topic you like from the list, and let's move on to the next step. I'm going to select this one. Poor baby was stuck in a sinking car, brave pug rescued him. Alright, so now we have our topic. The next step is to generate video scenes and image prompts based on this chosen topic. I've also created a super detailed prompt that includes everything: scene examples, the kind of visuals we need, emotional storytelling, and more. This isn't just a regular prompt. I actually showed ChatGPT example images and videos from 2 to 3 different projects to help it understand the exact style I wanted. And using that, I built the perfect prompt for this task. So all you have to do is copy the prompt from here and paste it into ChatGPT. And there we go. ChatGPT has generated all the scenes exactly in the style I was looking for. Since this is just an example, 25 scenes would be too much. So I asked ChatGPT to reduce the number of scenes. You can increase or decrease the number of scenes, or even replace any scene based on what fits your story best. Just make sure the scenes feel emotionally engaging so that pet lovers will like, share, and comment on your video. Now that we have our scenes, it's time to generate image prompts for them. For this, again, go to my Google Doc, copy the prompt, and give it to the ChatGPT. And that's it. ChatGPT given us every scene prompt with small description. We already have the prompts. Now it's time to convert them into images. As I mentioned earlier, I'll be using Hailuo AI for this part too because it gives the best results. So let's head back to Hailuo AI and paste our first image prompt. This time, make sure to select the 9:16 ratio since we're creating this for YouTube Shorts. Then click Generate, and here it is. The image for our first scene is ready. I really like this one, so let's go with it. Now we'll convert this into a video so our scenes look more realistic and cinematic. We can do that directly within the tool. Just click on Video. Here, in the prompt box, write a short summary of the scene. The best part about this tool is that you can even choose the camera angle for your scene. There are many options available. Just pick the one that fits your scene best. I'll go with this one, Scenic Shot. You can generate videos of up to 10 seconds with this tool. Next, choose a video model. I'm selecting Hailuo 2 for this one. Now click Generate, and in just a few moments our video will be ready. And look at that. It's amazing, right? Let's download this one and move on to the second scene. This time, I'll generate all the images at once, and then convert them into videos. Now let's copy the second prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here, and here's the result. It looks completely realistic. So just like this, you need to generate all your images one by one and then turn them into videos. For scenes that need a specific camera angle, make sure to use that feature. It will make your video look more professional. I've generated and downloaded all my scenes this way. You should also follow the same process. Generate the scenes and download them as you go. You might notice how smooth and clean it looks. That's because it's using Hailuo's latest Video 02 model. It's actually ranked number 2 globally, even ahead of Google Veo 3 and Kling 2.0. The model is super accurate with prompts, keeps characters consistent, and handles even tricky actions like flips and fast movement without glitches. Plus, the visuals just look better. More cinematic lighting, stable motion, and sharper details. So this is how you can generate realistic scene with Hailuo AI. You can find link in the description. And the best part? If you're just starting out, Hailuo gives you 500 free credits as a new user, so you can test everything without spending a single rupee. Now that we have our scenes ready, it's time to merge everything together. But before we do that, we need to find the right sound effects. Sound effects are super important because they add emotion and realism to your video. For this, you can use Pixabay to download free sound effects. For example, here I'm searching for baby crying. You'll see many options show up here, so just download the ones that fit your scene best, like water sounds, running sounds, or anything else you need. Now let's move on to the editing part. For editing, I'll be using the CapCut desktop app. Open CapCut and import all the videos we created using Hailuo AI, along with the sound effects. Now start placing each scene in the correct order on the timeline. You can also adjust the speed of each clip based on what suits your video best. CapCut also has its own audio library, where you can find additional sound effects. Feel free to use those as well. In some scenes, you might need to add a voiceover, like when the army comes in to rescue. For that, I'll generate a short dialogue. So let's go back to Hailuo AI and switch to the audio section. First, select a voice.
Good things take time. Let's approach this.
Remember, life will test you, but it will never break you if you hold on to what you know to be true.
There are many options, but since we only need it for a small line, I'll choose trustworthy man. Now I'll type this line. You did what no human could, you saved a life. Perfect. Let's download this and upload it to CapCut. Now I'll add the voiceover to the right scene in the timeline. Then, add transitions between each clip. You can also play around with filters and effects, use whatever looks best for your video. And that's it. Your video is ready to upload. Before we check the demo video, I just want to say, last week's giveaway winners have been announced, and if you're one of them, please comment on this post. Also, this week I'm picking 5 lucky winners who will get free access to my Skool community. You'll get full access to all my courses, join weekly live coaching calls with me, and receive my exclusive prompt list. So comment as much as you can. This is your chance to win. Now go ahead, check out the demo video and comment fast if you want to join this week's giveaway.
You did what no human could. You saved a life.